Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to try something called the master cleanse. Yes, so I saw a few videos on YouTube, I think last week, how people were talking about the master cleanse. Some of them did it for 5 days, others did it for like 10 days. So I was thinking about it. I'm like, I think this is something that I should definitely try. Like, just if you want to lose extra weight in certain area, or all over your body in general, if you want to lose weight, the master cleanse may be able to help you achieve those results. So this is what I'm gonna start today. I'll simply do it for 4 to 5 days and share my results with you guys. So I'm excited, but one thing is, I know I'm supposed to use lemon, but when I went to BJ's yesterday, it was extremely difficult to find any lemon. Since I couldn't find any lemon, so I just grabbed myself some limes. So yeah, I'm just doing it with limes, no lemon, just lime. I'm just gonna use lime instead of lemon this time because I honestly couldn't find any lemon. So I'll show you what I have and then we're gonna start making our lemonade later. I couldn't find any lemon, so I pick a bag of lime. To me, honestly, it doesn't really make a difference. Lime, lemon, what's the difference? Just color. That's what I think. And I already had some cayenne pepper. I bought this on Amazon for like $15. Some maple syrup. So I have some, and I have my water here, about a gallon of water here, and this is my computer. I already made all my research. I got all my research here, and I have my laptop right next to me so that I can follow all the steps. Yeah. So, and oh wait, one more thing that I forgot to tell you about, guys. I also bought some sea salt, but your sea salt should not have any iodine in it. And this, you need this because in the morning, like it says, first thing in the morning, drink 1 quart of warm water mixed with 2 tablespoons of sea salt to stimulate your bowels. So since you're not going to be eating anything at all, so there's no fiber in your diet, no carbs, no nothing, so you're gonna need something to stimulate your bowels. You can either drink some sea salt in the morning, and at night use some laxative, like it says right here. Oh my god, I think I'm blind. I can't even see anything. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, this is the only way I know I can do it. So I'm gonna start squeezing my lemon into a small bowl. I'm in my limes. Yo, I couldn't. I always have to say lemon. I would always mix their names, to be honest with you. Lime, lemon, who cares? They taste the same way, right? Same taste. Okie-dokie. And I'm so happy doing this because I'm gonna take a break from cooking. So during the pandemic, I've been cooking mostly every day. Because I have time. If I want to eat something different, I just make it. So, well, while doing this cleanse, I won't have to cook. I can just do other things. And I'm gonna try to work out when I'm doing the cleanse as well. Not heavy workout, mostly some abs workout, booty workout, you know. Yeah. So now, this is what I'm gonna do, okay? I have a gallon full with water right here, and then I have an empty gallon right here, okay, clean, empty. So this one, I have a cup right here. I usually use that cup to mix my protein shakes. So this can take all up to 16 ounces, which is basically 2 servings. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fill that cup all the way here. 16 right here, and then I'm gonna add 4 tablespoons of lemon juice and 4 tablespoons of maple syrup. Since for each serving, which is 8 ounces of water right here, you need 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 2 tablespoon of maple syrup and one tenth of cayenne pepper. So I'm just gonna make 2 servings, and then I'm gonna use my tiny funnel right here. I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna put that funnel here. Let me move my tripod. Right here, and then pour it in. So like that, things can be easier for me. I think I'm gonna just use 12 ounces of water instead of 8, since it says 8 to 12. Because I like water. The more the better for me. I'll add more water. Since there's a range from 8 to 12, I'll go all the way to 12. Okay, we need another 12. And then from that 12, I'm gonna use 4 tablespoons of that of lemon juice. 2, 3, and 4. Take half of that little spoon. Yeah. Here. And I'm gonna take another half of that little teaspoon. Of that little spoon right here. And you add it right here. This alone is 2 servings. Mix it. And I'm gonna keep doing this until I get all the way to until I fill the entire gallon with lemonade and the good stuff. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'll show you guys how to do it. I'll see you later. Yep, this is it. I'm gonna put that in the fridge, and I'm gonna have my lemonade for the whole day. Hey guys, as of now, I am about to drink my salt and water. So since, like I told you already, you need 32 ounces of fluids and 2 teaspoons, not tablespoon, 2 teaspoons of sea salt, non-iodized sea salt. So I have it here, but since I do not have a container big enough to hold 32 ounces of fluid, so what I did, I separated it into 2 batches. So I'm having 16 ounces of fluid with 1 teaspoon of salt and actually warm water. And then after that, I'm gonna have another 16 ounces of fluid with another 1 teaspoon of salt, not tablespoon, teaspoon. Yeah, so I'm gonna drink this. It's not that bad. And you drink this just to stimulate your bowels, because you won't be eating, like I said. You're just gonna be sipping your lemonade, you know. So you are gonna need something to help flush your system out.